These David Austin roses just arrived today. I've been waiting for them for about 3 months. So let's open the box and see what's inside. The roses were about $40 each. So I'm curious to see what their quality is. They're packed in a plastic bag. And these roots that are on top are huge. Wow. I did not expect them to be this big. Okay, let's see which one goes out first. Okay, this wonderful root is the poet's wife. Wow, very nice root. Okay, and this other wonderful plant is Emily Bronte. Wonderful root. Next is the Almwick rose. Munstead wood. Wow, this root is huge. This is Charles Darwin, and its root is huge. Look at this bud coming here. They are tangled, so I'm trying to be careful not to damage the nice buds that they have right here. But this wonderful plant is Boscobel. Look at this thick rootstock. Wow. And this is Gabriel Oak. I'll show you. It's Gabriel Oak. Look at all nice buds. And at this grafted plant. Wow, it's huge. Okay, this one is Tess. Also wonderful root. And lastly, but not least, one more Boscobel. Some of these are own roots and some of these are grafted. So these three, Charles Darwin, Gabriel Oak, Munstead wood, and this one is Emily Bronte. They are grafted, and these are own roots. The size of David Austin roses really impresses me. I expected their grafted plants to be bigger, but I did not expect that their own root plants would have such big nice roots. Just look at these. These are huge. The own roses that I get from other companies like heirloom roses are much smaller. These look to be more mature. I would say they're about 3 years old. Just looking at the size of the rootstock and their canes, these are mature plants. I don't regret I spent that much on David Austin roses. $40 per plant with a 3-year warranty. I think that's a good deal. Look at this thick stock. Look at all nice buds that start growing. I thought that roses from Costco are the best because they had really thick canes, and I did not expect David Austin roses to have stems as thick as these roses from Costco. I'm very happy with these bare root roses that I received from David Austin, and in addition to nice canes, they have awesome great roots. These roots would not fit in these Costco boxes. Of course, Costco has the best deal. I don't think anyone else can beat Costco price, but Costco does not give a 3-year warranty that David Austin gives, and probably they know what they guarantee. Quality stands behind their plants. So this is a rose from Costco, and it seems that its roots were cut. I think they were cut to fit the packaging, because this is the packaging that is inside the box. And these are David Austin roses. These were not cut as much as the roses from Costco. I really hope that these roses will do well and will not die. They seem to be about the same age, looking at their stems. So all of these are from Costco. I planted them temporary in boxes, in containers. And these are that I received today, David Austin roses. So David Austin roses definitely have better roots. My Costco and David Austin roses are planted in pots now, just temporary. And just looking at all of them, I cannot tell which ones are David Austin and which ones are from Costco. This is a David Austin rose, Gabriel Oak. And these two are David Austin. These here are from Costco. I planted 2 and 3 in one pot roses because I don't have enough space, enough pots and soil right now. But these plants cannot wait when I get the pots and more soil. So that's why I just put 2 in one pot. The pots are big enough. And here I have 4 from Costco. Their roots are smaller, not as wide as David Austin roses. So just a temporary place until my flower bed is ready for these roses to be planted.